What are the challenges of handling bulk fire retardants? Imagine trying to control a large fire with a substance that can be tricky to manage. Handling bulk fire retardants involves many hurdles that can affect fire safety and prevention efforts. First, the chemicals in these retardants can pose health risks to firefighters. Many contain complex compounds like organohalogen flame retardants and perfluoroalkyl substances, which can be toxic. Exposure can happen through inhaling fumes, skin contact, or contaminated gear, increasing the risk of long-term health issues like cancer. Firefighters often carry elevated levels of these chemicals compared to the general population, which raises concerns about occupational safety. Next, the environmental impact of using large amounts of fire retardants is a big challenge. When applied in wildland fires, these chemicals can seep into soil and water sources, harming ecosystems. Regulations restrict the use of retardants near water bodies and protected habitats to prevent contamination. Fire incident commanders need to carefully plan where and how they apply retardants to balance fire suppression with environmental protection. This means coordinating with environmental agencies and following strict guidelines. Logistics also play a significant role. Applying bulk fire retardants requires specialized equipment like aerial tankers and ground vehicles, along with trained personnel. Ensuring the retardants are delivered on time and placed accurately in fast-changing fire conditions is difficult. Handling large volumes, often mixed with water, demands proper storage, mixing, and transportation facilities. During active fires, these logistics can become overwhelming and resource-intensive, especially in remote or rugged areas. Another challenge is gear contamination. Firefighters, protective clothing and equipment can become coated with fire retardants and their toxic components. This contamination can linger in fire stations and on gear, increasing exposure risks if not cleaned properly. Regular decontamination is necessary but can be time-consuming and may not fully remove all chemical residues, which adds to the safety concerns. Finally, the chemical makeup of fire retardants varies depending on the manufacturer and intended use. Some formulations are more effective but may also be more harmful to the environment or health. Firefighters need to understand these differences to choose the right retardant for each fire scenario. They must also follow safety protocols and environmental guidelines to minimize risks. Balancing the immediate benefits of using bulk fire retardants with the long-term health and environmental concerns is a constant challenge. It requires ongoing training, strict safety procedures, and close cooperation with environmental agencies. Investing in safer formulations and better decontamination methods can help make handling bulk fire retardants safer and more effective in fire prevention strategies.